Good morning and good afternoon, RSGA STEM class, and whoever decided to watch this video. In this video, we are going to go on an exciting journey to learn about one of the most brilliant inventors in history. His name, Nikola Tesla. His inventions changed the world and are still powering our lives today. Get ready to discover how this amazing scientist gave us the gift of modern electricity. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in a small village called Smiljan, which was a part of the Austrian Empire and is now in Croatia. Tesla was a Serbian American, meaning that his family was Serbian, but he later became an American citizen. During his lifetime, he earned over 300 patents for his inventions. That's like having 300 different brilliant ideas that no one has ever thought of before. Tesla died in New York City on January 7th, 1943, but his legacy lives on every single day in the technology we use. Tesla showed signs of being extraordinary from a very young age. His mother was also an inventor who created small household tools, so creativity ran in his family. Tesla had an incredible ability called eidetic memory, also known as photographic memory. This meant he could see images in his mind so clearly that they seemed real. In fact, Tesla could design entire machines in his head, seeing every detail, every wire, every part, without ever drawing them on paper. Imagine being able to build something just by thinking about it. Tesla studied engineering and physics at schools in Europe, though he never completed a traditional degree. His real education came from his extraordinary mind and his passion for understanding how electricity worked. In 1884, at age 28, Tesla made a bold move. He immigrated to the United States with just a few cents in his pocket and a head full of revolutionary ideas. He briefly worked for the famous inventor Thomas Edison in New York City. However, Tesla and Edison had very different ideas about electricity. Edison believed in something called direct current, or DC, while Tesla believed in alternating current, or AC. He believed that that was better. This disagreement led to Tesla leaving Edison's company to pursue his own ideas. In 1887, with the help of financial backers, Tesla founded the Tesla Electric Company. This was his chance to show the world that his ideas about electricity could change everything. Tesla's most important contribution to science was developing alternating current electrical systems, or AC for short. What's the difference between AC and DC? Think of it this way. Direct current, or DC, is like flowing water from one direction through a hose. It works fine for short distances, but loses power over long distances. Alternating current, or AC, is like waves in the ocean. The electricity moves back and forth very quickly. This allows it to travel long distances without losing much power. In 1887, Tesla invented the AC induction motor, which uses rotating magnetic fields to create motion. A rotating magnetic field is like an invisible force that spins. This discovery made it possible to power machines efficiently. By 1888, he had developed what's called the polyphase AC system, which provided the basic elements needed to generate electricity at a power plant and transmit it to homes and businesses miles away. That was revolutionary. Today, the AC system Tesla developed is still the worldwide standard for delivering electricity into our homes. Tesla's AC system caught the attention of George Westinghouse, who was a brilliant engineer and businessman. In 1888, Westinghouse bought the patents for Tesla's AC system and hired Tesla to develop it further. This started what history calls the War of the Currents. a competition between Edison's DC system and Tesla's AC system. The turning point came at 1993 at the World Columbian Exposition in Chicago. This was basically a giant World's Fair. Tesla and Westinghouse's AC system was chosen to light the entire fair with beautiful electric lights. Over 27 million people attended and witnessed the power of AC electricity lighting up the night. It was spectacular. After this success, AC became the clear winner. Tesla's system proved it was safer, more efficient, and could power entire cities. In 1896, Tesla's AC system was used to build the world's first major hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls. Hydroelectric means using falling water to generate electricity. The powerful waterfalls spun giant turbines that generated AC electricity using Tesla's system. This electricity was then transmitted 26 miles to the city of Buffalo, New York, something that would have been impossible with Edison's DC system. This proved that Tesla's invention could power entire cities from far away. Today, there's even a statue of Nikola Tesla at Niagara Falls to honor his contributions. One of Tesla's most famous and visually exciting inventions is the Tesla coil. He invented it in 1891. The Tesla coil is a special type of transformer that produces very high voltage electricity at high frequencies. When you see those amazing lightning bolts shooting through the air at science museums or laboratories, that's usually a Tesla coil. Tesla invented this device because he was obsessed with an incredible idea: transmitting electricity wirelessly through the air without any wires at all. Imagine charging your phone or powering a light bulb without ever plugging it in. While Tesla couldn't make large-scale wireless power transmission work with the technology of his time, the Tesla coil helped him experiment with these concepts. The principles behind the Tesla coil also helped develop radio transmission and wireless communication. Tesla didn't stop with AC electricity and the Tesla coil. He had many other brilliant ideas. Tesla filed important patents for radio transmission. This was in 1897, even before Mr. Marconi, who was credited for inventing the radio. In fact, in 1943, after Tesla's death, the U.S. Supreme Court recognized that Tesla's patents came first. In 1898, Tesla demonstrated something that seemed like magic to people at the time: a remote-controlled boat. He piloted a small boat around a pool at Washington Square Garden using radio waves. This was the world's first remote-control device and laid the groundwork for modern robotics and drones. Tesla also conducted early experiments with X-rays, which he called shadowgraphs, and developed concepts for fluorescent lighting long before they became common. In total, Tesla received 112 U.S. patents and about 300 patents worldwide for his various inventions. How are Tesla's inventions used today? Let's start with the most obvious one. Every time you flip a light switch, plug in your phone charger, or turn on a computer, you're using Tesla's AC electric system. The electricity that comes into your home from power plants is AC electricity, transmitted just the way Tesla designed it over 130 years ago. The electric motors on washing machines, refrigerators, fans, and countless other appliances work on principles Tesla developed. The entire electrical grid that powers our cities, schools, and homes is based on Tesla's AC system. It's so fundamental to modern life that we don't even think about it. But without Tesla's contributions, our world would look very, very different. Remember how Tesla dreamed of wireless transmission? While his specific vision of wireless power distribution across the globe didn't come to pass, His work laid the foundation for our modern wireless technologies. Radio and television broadcasting use principles Tesla explored. Your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections exist because of his groundwork. Wireless phone charging pads use electromagnetic induction, the same principles that Tesla used in his experiments. Even the remote controls we use every day and the drones people fly in for fun are descendants of Tesla's 1898 remote-controlled boat. Tesla's visions of wireless world is actually happening all around us right now, just in ways that he may not have imagined at the time. Tesla's work even helps save lives. The Tesla coil is used today in radio technology and is a popular educational tool in science classes and museums to demonstrate electrical principles. Perhaps most importantly, the unit of measurement for magnetic field strength is called the Tesla in his honor. When you hear about an MRI machine being 1.5 or 3.0 Tesla, that's measuring the strength of the magnetic field using a unit named after our inventor. MRI machines help doctors diagnose injuries and diseases. The AC power systems that Tesla developed ensures that all medical equipment in hospitals operate efficiently and reliably. Tesla's contributions to understanding electricity have made modern machines possible. Nikola Tesla's legacy is all around us. He fundamentally changed how we generate, transmit, and use electricity, making modern technology possible. Without his contributions, we would not have smartphones, computers, electric cars, or most of the technology that we use every day. In 2003, a group of engineers founded Tesla Incorporated, the electric car company. They named it in honor of Nikola Tesla's genius. The company's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy would have made Tesla proud, as he believed harnessing renewable energy sources were important. There are monuments and museums dedicated to Tesla around the world. The Nikola Tesla Museum in Belgrade, Serbia, houses his papers and honors his legacy. His work is included in UNESCO's Memory of the World Program. Despite facing financial struggles during his lifetime and not becoming wealthy by his inventions, Tesla's impact on humanity has been immeasurable. Here are some fascinating facts about Tesla. He claimed to sleep only 2 hours each night, spending all his time working on inventions. Tesla could speak 8 different languages. He never married and devoted his entire life to science and invention. Tesla was friends with famous writer Mark Twain, and they conducted some electrical experiments together. In 1917, Tesla received the Edison Medal, the highest honor the American Institute of Electrical Engineers could give, ironically named after his former rival. In 1931, at age 75, Tesla was featured on the cover of Time magazine with the caption, "All the world's his powerhouse," recognizing his contribution to electrical power generation. Nikola Tesla truly earned his nickname, the Wizard of Electricity. His vision of an electrified, wirelessly connected world has largely come true. Every day, billions of people around the world use technology that stems from Tesla's inventions. From the moment we turn on a light in the morning to when we charge our devices at night, Tesla showed us something important, that thinking differently is good, and not giving up ideas is also important, even when others doubt those ideas. His story teaches us that sometimes the most revolutionary ideas seem impossible at first. Tesla faced many challenges: financial difficulties, skeptics who didn't believe his ideas, and competitors who tried to stop him, but he persevered. Today, we honor Nikola Tesla not just as a brilliant inventor, but as a visionary who gave humanity the gift of modern electricity. His legacy reminds us that one person with one determination and creativity can change the world. Thank you for joining me on this video as we walk through the life and inventions of Nikola Tesla.